SidraDEX is officially live. So in this video, we are going to explore more on the SidraDEX, and not just that, SidraDEX now supports multiple blockchain. So we are going to do that not on the Sidra app. You can't access the SidraDEX on your Sidra app. So you need to log in through Google or whichever browser you are using to access your Sidra chain. So only thing you can see on the Sidra app is the dashboard, the convert wallet, access, and the trust. The last feature which was integrated yesterday is the SidraDEX. So the SidraDEX that is live can only be accessed through the desktop site. So what we need to do now is to go to Chrome or any browser that you are using. Let's minimize, or perhaps just type on Chrome. Once you type on Chrome, you come over, let me start afresh. You come over to the search box and search SidraChain. Is already popping up. SidraChain.com/dashboard. SidraChain.com/dashboard. Now you search it, allow it to load. So whichever browser that you're using to access your Sidra, go and make use of it. So immediately you are going to see, because you already typed SidraChain.com/desktop, it's going to bring you your Sidra app. So what you're going to do to access the SidraDEX is to come over here and click on these three lines. You're going to tap on these three lines. Now you are going to scroll down. You are not going to see this desktop site. You need to tick this good so that you can change your phone to the desktop so that you'll be able to see this SidraDEX. So you tap on this. Automatically, it's going to change your phone to a desktop site. Now you can see the SidraDEX itself. Looking at here, so here now you can see the SidraDEX, and this is the only way you can access it, through the desktop site. So once you click on that, you are now going to see all these features on the Sidra chain. You're going to see the convert, the wallet, the access, the trust, and the SidraDEX. So now let's tap on the SidraDEX. It's loading. Can you see dex.sidrachain.com? So you need to give it time to load. So this is what it's showing. This is the SidraDEX, and at this stage you can see the swap, the explore. To connect, you need to connect your wallet. Now you can see here, trade SidraChain token with confidence, buy, sell, and explore token, and you can see here, get started. And these are the token swaps. You can see Tether USDT, you can see USDC, you can see Ethereum, you can see the Bitcoin. I'm not seeing this clearly. And they provide liquidity. These are the liquidity. Add liquidity to a pool and earn fees on every swap. That is, there are a lot of network here on the SidraDEX. So you can take your time and explore this particular app. Over here on the app, you can see the swap, the tokens, the pools, and the network. You have the SidraChain, the explorer, and the developers. So take your time to explore this. At this stage, you can decide to connect your wallet. To connect your wallet here, you click on this. Let's click on this arrow before wallet connection and see what we have there. So these are the networks. Just like I mentioned earlier, you have Ethereum, you have Sidra itself, you have Arbitrum, you have the Optimus, they have the Polygon, the Base, the BNB, the Avatar, and the Celo. All these things are the network that SidraChain supports. So what does this mean? This means that we are approaching the Sidra listing, and if there is not taken before the end of this year, we will know how far we have gone. So you can decide to connect your wallet. All you have to do is just to click on connect wallet. Now you will see Uniswap. Can you see Uniswap? So that means you can actually swap your USDT, your USDT or your Sidra using the Uniswap wallet. You can see install MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, whichever wallet you want to use. You click on this Wallet Connect. So once you tap on Wallet Connect, allow it to load. It's going to bring series of wallets for you to connect to your Sidra. This will help those that have not connected their wallet to make their choice now and connect their wallet. Over here, you're going to see series of Web3 wallets. You can see MetaMask, you can see SafePower, Trust Wallet, but I don't trust Wallet. Do not connect your Sidra with Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is misbehaving. Trust Wallet is no longer secure, so do not interact with that wallet. You can see Bitget Wallet, Binance Wallet. This is wallet, no exchanges here. I'm not saying this one clearly. You can see OKS wallet, Token Pocket, and a whole lot of wallets here. So it is now left for you to choose anyone you want to connect your wallet with, and you are going to connect it. So here now, if you want to swap, maybe you have deposited USDT, or you deposited some amount of Sidra SDA to your Sidra app, you can swap it. Let's click on this arrow and know what we have there. Once you tap there, let's see. Wow, these are the tokens. That means all these tokens on that Sidra blockchain that you have interacted with are already integrated inside the SidraDEX. Can you see the WSDA? Can you see the, I don't know about this coin, but I know about the GACP. I know about this SLND and the Genials and even other coins that we have been interacting with. Can you see? That shows that Sidra is actually building. They are not folding their hands. They are actually building. Look at the airland. Oh my God. So look at the wrapped Sidra. Kai. That means we are coming closer to the end of this project. Look at that. Look at all these things are the selected tokens under Sidra blockchain. They have a digital banking initiative. Confirm. So with this now, you know that SidraChain is not here to play. Let's assume you select a token like Genials. Wow, it will now come here. And under the network, you will now select the token itself. The token you are now going to, maybe you want to swap to Sidra. Let's see what it's going to show. Can you see? So you will be able to swap. I saw someone posted something on our community where he said that he deposited some amount of Sidra to this SidraDEX and he was able to swap it. That means that the team are actually working behind the scene. So if you think that Sidra is here for jokes, my dear, they are not joking. So make sure that you secure your account at this stage. So many people are out there opening their mouths wide open, looking for who to default. Make sure that you secure your wallet. Do not click on any link that you don't understand. There is no link for this SidraDEX. All you need to do is just to log in through the Google and enable your phone to have a desktop site, and automatically you will have this SidraDEX interface. So nobody should give you any link to click. Hold your Sidra very well and make sure you secure your wallet. Do not click on any link anyhow. Even this thing that I'm showing you here is not a financial advice. I'm not advising you to go and check your SidraDEX. I'm just giving you an update, and this my update is not a financial advice. So do not go and check your SidraDEX. I'm just sharing my knowledge. You understand? So at this point, you don't need any messiah to tell you that SidraChain is working. Did you see now that I did not connect my wallet? I've already connected my wallet. Before some people will now come and say, why are you telling people to go to SidraDEX? I'm not telling anyone to go and visit the SidraDEX. I'm just showing you that SidraDEX is already integrated and it is live on Sidra app. But for you to access it, you must allow your phone to be on a desktop site. Okay? Before you come and quarrel with me on my channel, please. I'm not advising you to connect your wallet here. If you want to connect your wallet, follow the right method I gave you before to connect your wallet. I'm just sharing my little research I made this night. That is what I'm sharing with you. Although you might see this video tomorrow morning, make sure that you secure your wallet. If you have not connected your wallet, import your SidraChain. Did I say import? Connect your Sidra through the Mrs. browser or go to the OKS wallet and type SidraChain.com. Follow that method, log in and connect your wallet. The same method applicable to Bitget wallet. Go there and search SidraChain.com. Log into your Sidra app and connect your wallet. So do not come and say Jenny said. I did not say you should come to your SidraDEX and connect wallet, please. So that is it. So when you click on explore, let's see what the explore will say also for this page not found. So we are still the app is still not functioning, and we believe that everything will work out perfectly. I believe with this we are now convinced that SidraChain are working, and they are not just working, more features are now being added, showing that we are already approaching the end or the listing of this token.